What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure to smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I got something very special for you. You know I am ecstatic at the fact that we are now an authorized nationwide Focal dealer, and we are going to be unboxing the Aria, the 926 model tower speakers. We are going to be doing a whole bunch of different videos comparing the different Focal tower speakers and really getting into that high fidelity. So this is still more on the entry level, reasonable price point side. You're at $21.95 retail. And again, guys, we guarantee the lowest price with nationwide free shipping on everything that we sell. So I'm going to get into this unboxing video right after the intro. Let's go! All right, let's go, guys. We're gonna unbox this product, check it out, and I'm gonna give you some of my thoughts. They use staples, and the boxes are really important if you're gonna be moving them. I'm gonna be using these for demos and whatnot, shipping them out to my guys and things, so I'm gonna take a minute to open it up nice and safely, which will take me an extra minute here, but definitely worth it. If you guys are unboxing this when you receive it from us, I would also recommend doing it this way, and then throwing the box up in your attic, because if you ever move, the movers will end up damaging your speakers without a doubt. So it's nice to just pack them up yourself, and that way they make it to the new house with no problems. Okay. You guys ready? I'm gonna open it up. Oh, we still got one more over here. We're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna bring you up close and personal so that you can check it out. These are hand-built, made in France speakers, guys. All right, guys, this is the up-close shot of the product opened up. You can see they do a really good job of packaging it. When you spend this much on a speaker, you really do not want it to get damaged in shipping. It just ruin your day. You do not want your new toy to be ruined. Now, make sure to check out that video as well, guys. The Cora series is a really well-built speaker, and it's half the cost. So if this is out of the budget at $21.95 retail, this is still fantastic. I mean, the build quality looks phenomenal, and I cannot wait to start demoing them. All right, I'm gonna flip this over and get it out of there. All right, so I just slid it out of there. This is the front grill. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to the side. But you can see right here, they do have the little screws to secure the feet. And this box right here is the feet. So I'm gonna put this aside for a second and flip this over so we can get those secured. I am about to reveal this speaker. Oh, woohoo, look at that. Those flax woofers are looking sexy. Nice premium gloss finish. All right, let's get this set up so that we can see them standing upright. You got the port here on the bottom. You got your terminals back here. And I'm gonna go ahead and take these screws out. All right, guys, this is the stand that you need to install when you get it. These are the spikes, and you can adjust those to add tilt to the speaker. I'll show you in just a second. Let's go ahead and get it bolted into place. There's just 4 screws right here. While I'm screwing this in, guys, let's talk about buying from an authorized reseller. You got to be pretty careful on the internet. There's people that are trying to move stuff through the gray market, unauthorized. You're spending a ton of money on this, and you really do not want, if something happens, God forbid, you want a warranty. And when you buy from Dreamedia, you get that factory backing, full manufacturer warranty. because we have developed that relationship and really pride ourselves on being legitimate. All right, cool beans. So I got all 4 of these in, and you can see the little feet on the bottom you can adjust. Oh man, this thing has some weight to it. Definitely quality. All right, here's the reveal. Whew. Nice. And they actually have a little protectant, remove before use, over the tweeter. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Whew, look at this thing. Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and position this towards the light better so you guys can get a good look. Check out this bad boy. Very beautiful speaker. Ported on the front and on the bottom. I like that stand too, it looks like really good quality. So let's talk about the tweeter. You guys know that I just did the unboxing of this guy over there, the Cora series. The Aria, it's a little bit different. So this is an aluminum magnesium inverted dome tweeter, which is really, you know, what they're known for. But the tweeter's lightweight pour-on memory foam, basically, is going to improve the suspension and dampening, which reduces the distortion about 2 to 3 kilohertz by a factor of 3 compared to the typical tweeter suspension. So that's some tech talk, but essentially that is the biggest difference between this guy over here, the Cora, and the Aria, which I'll get into a comparison video of the two here soon. The other big difference is the fact that the Aria here has the flax woofers, which the flax woofers are going to perform a lot tighter than the over here. They have the slate fiber, which is still a huge improvement over polyglass, but in all of the Focal speakers, they have trickle-down technology, which basically means they try to utilize a lot of the things that they develop in-house throughout their whole speaker lineup. Looks like you got 2 bass and you have 1 mid bass right here, made in France. So what's really cool about the flax is they actually get the flax in France. So it cuts down on cost, and it's a really rigid but lightweight speaker cone. So it performs really nice and tight. We'll get into some of the more techie details on a comparison video of this one versus the Aria versus the Cora, because I'm sure a lot of you guys are on the fence whether it's worth the money or not, and then we'll do some demos too. But let's get into frequency response. You go to 45 to 28,000 hertz, and then the recommended power amp is 40 to 250 watts. And this is an 8 ohm speaker. Spin it around so you can see the back. This is the Aria 926, 8 ohm. Really nice binding post. Again, quality. We're gonna pop these bad boys off and put our banana pins in right there whenever we go to make our connections. But you can see these down here, you can adjust to raise or lower, I added a slight little pivot on the front to direct the audio up. That's about a wrap, guys. This is just an unboxing video, but subscribe to the channel for more. Whee! Here comes speaker number 2. All right, guys. Whew, this thing's a monster. So even though I'm not really showing a detailed unboxing of both speakers, you're gonna buy these in stereo pairs because you have to for a front left and right in a surround sound configuration, or even if you're just running a high-end 2-channel setup. So I'm gonna just quickly throw this thing together. All right, I got the other one out of the box, and this is the finish with the grill off, which I think looks absolutely beautiful. And then this is with the grill on, which also looks very sleek. Focal, baby. All right, guys, well, that is a wrap on my unboxing video of the Aria series. They also carry a center speaker, surrounds, and subwoofer. So you know that I love home theater, and if you want a really kick-ass home theater system, this series is built to perform, and it's still at a fairly reasonable price point. With the waveguide, giving a better dispersion for the tweeter, and then the tight, hard-hitting mid-range you're gonna get out of these flax woofers. This is a very well-designed speaker, and I'm gonna be doing comparison videos of this as well next to the other series. I'm about to bust out the Cantas and then the Sopras as well. So make sure to subscribe to the channel down below if you would like to purchase, guys. Nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. Really appreciate y'all's support. If you aren't a subscriber, subscribe down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.